Is it?
Yeah, movie production. Director Africa presents Sangamada Dilayo me bonami Oripa kai wachi na mini mwebusu ase na odono enkonkozi say no crack sa tinkai nyamu yaminti munkai na munyai semre bi bai na mi yemojefo munkai na munyame say kaya kuko didi yodi na no twetwe fam mama na mehwe odasaninti ena de mi sukom oh why me and I am yes and no die that's so me dear me dim say agwa when you be a mina de prano miss and yes and no die that's so me dear me dim say agwa when you be a mina de prano inti wonderful sheminso eka unku na misu nensu nyaminku mia wati asifuo yekwa
The lion.
Unyamire ochina unyame efise mi kadada mi unyame ontonko oma unyame
Oh,
Everybody knows it.
what ma?
You're wedding.
Oh, wonderful, Bob Brown. Feel my person to me, just I say. Hey! Oh, Yami Srano.
I'm the ocean of mommy.
My dear.
I'm not meaning say. So thanks a bear, you need to make a show semi surprise. It's Yamia Dom. Surprise no. When
What was it say?
if you are who were hanging na, and your madam for dear.
Ah?
Make me share that I'm catching say madam for dear.
A few way you fear.
Me means some sick.
What to be? Hey! Hey! And if Jamaica. What ma? Yami sir, what? Hey!
I said, I'm not Kenya because you know, Mammy, the bay was what that crowd so they say. Meet me, I be busy. I mean,
What ma?
me company na me a part time. Kaka me is in this dominion piano the rowing. A mammy, me and poor. Okay, baby, I didn't care what's nine.
Aye.
Baby, away I may do a friend with I'm doing this year. And also some yana toy. Bouncy be piano a process.
I just know dear.
And me fee.
Hey, what ma? And I got him so high.
And not me Tom. Let me who say, yes, I'm ye be but my own be any when you never fancy what you bay on Nakaka. I was waiting for the right time. Mammy, you say, dear, but I couldn't know where you're in an idea.
What ma? I rather be now, I say. I rather be super. I rather. Hey! We went to bed.
Mammy,
You would make up.
yeah, Mammy, when
You would have been there. What ma?
Yamia, will soon and sashay.
I never want you know, say, come up. What do I witness it? Oh, rather.
Papa, you want to soon tie shit.
What ma? Mama be says it for me.
Yeah,
I'm better about was.
yeah, Mammy, means oh.
What ma?
I can't be alone soon.
What's about him? Oh, rather be that was it. I'm sure what it. I'm sure.
Mammy, very crowd.
Oh, what's ma? Hey! Ajua.
I'm used to soon to say, I'm on my bassa. We am by any gym, Pesanka, we need Jay. My form basis soon, Miss Cyril. A year, people, and
Any dear most
a year, Miss Cyril. A year,
yes, any dear most.
a year. In see a hamid wabay, Nitty and Munion, and say, you fear me. Ye, but it's not her seas. But I couldn't dear him say, and they wow, dear. I have to see a menu union, I'll be able to me about.
What's ma? Mama be bride them. Bride them. Hey! I'm sure what it.
Amen.
I'm sure.
Amen.
When you come so what about praying about it? What's ma? You told it.
It's made up, Mammy. Nti wo de man nya na yemfa yi. Yemfa ko si.
Hey.
Why?
Hey.
Me ko na me
It's
show.
that's me ko kumena atoso. Ade ato ayi so.
Me.
Ade
Me show me ba no me show be agem nyina wo. Gem no be ko. Nti no mesi o. Big for ye ko pucho ne wo fu nyina ko ni bi.
Your person me be a me shaba dodo.
Ma me ho we. Ya mi aye. Yenko am chiro wo dan.
Hey.
Afi ma me ne pe bi mbro ne di. Why?
Made self here say.
No, me for make na ya da je we. Eso no ye aduane me for professional chef o. And I'm say you house help me and a security for nyina. Don't worry. Yenko. I'll be back.
Oh.
Angelo. So you are still doing this? You keep stalking me. What is the meaning of that? What's wrong with you?
It's a matter of heart. It's not that I'm stalking you. I love you. Please. Give me the chance to express it, okay?
I should give you... Debbie, I don't have time for that nonsense. You understand? Eh? How many times do I have to warn you to stay away from me? I don't know who you want, sir. I don't know how to... I don't know. Comfortable. What's the meaning of that? When you say to me, I'm arrested for the way.
For loving you.
For loving
I don't have any problem with it. They should arrest me.
Hey, Nancy.
What man? I'm in love with you. Please. Please, what man?
Every time when you say time be me whole day. And now me who say me day na best say for life. Me penny on me, gentleman. Respect yourself. Do you understand? So can't you just respect yourself as a medical doctor? I don't know what you I just don't like you. I don't like everything about you.
And I love you.
Shay.
50-50. Let's join it and make it 100, okay? Please.
You know I'm in a hurry.
Then I will follow you wherever you go.
Hey.
Hello. Good afternoon. My name is Akosin Kuma. What's your name?
Okay. Boatma.
Wow, what a wonderful name. Can I be your friend?
No problem.
Yeah. So, since we are friends, can I ask you out?
Ask me out. How?
Yes.
You barely know me. I'm just passing and then you need to ask me out just like that.
I've known you somebody started there.
Oh yeah, you can get to know me, but asking me out is weird.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's no big deal. Oh, by the way, I'm a businessman. I deal with spare parts and them stuffs. And what about you?
Well, I'll tell you about me later.
So can we sit somewhere and have a little chat? Because here's a roadside. So if you wouldn't mind, you sit in my car, you find something better to sit, then later I want to drop you off.
I think we'll have to make it some other time because right now I'm very busy. I have some appointments. Oh no, it's not like you don't have to beg me. I have an appointment and I have to. You understand?
I feel like he doesn't need to turn offer down.
I'm not turning your offer down. I said you have to fix it another day.
Okay, so can I have you? Honestly, you look pretty.
Thank you.
You look nice.
Thank you. I think I have to be on my way now.
Yeah, so can I? No handshake, nothing. Me, we are friends.
No, I don't really know you. I can't just hug you.
Yeah, but we are friends. Knowing you today is a bless.
I can't hug you. At least I can give you this.
But I mean, little hug will do.
I don't do my things like that.
Okay, I'll give you. I know you have a long talk and a good chat. You know, oh, you look pretty. And don't forget, someone loves you so much. Wow.
Hey, now for no say. But in what says Mariam? Oh, what damn says I go.
Hey, now what me share movie now who town beside woman there now. We say acting keke.
Yeah, hello.
What's
Yes, babe. Good morning, let's sing. Uncle pardon me, wait. It's my film. Me major me inside and then my uncle baby and me name mommy show movie kakra. No say. Hey. Oh, but then I'm hoping say before say around further about no, maybe make it time now. Yeah. So what I say. Yeah. Oh, you're making me shy, eh? Of course I do. I hear. Oh. But then you should know it's normal. It's every lady be from the scratch lady. Yes, that. No. No, I want the boy first. Yeah. I don't want to say things, you know. I have to code my language because okay, whichever way it goes, I'm cool. Alright there. Oh, same here. Oh yeah, same from me to you, right? Okay.
So when you papa. I'm the casa when you son. Hey.
Mommy.
It was a dipana in the casa. Me must impomenka.
Oh, mommy. You did. I think saying Yako Fabande is a make baby. When's the last time now the meeting come be say, baby, I made you in case say, if find a partner, and I say, and God being so good, me share some guy be. Very nice guy, hardworking, confident. I think I like everything about him. Me challenge. Boy, no, a science will vibe be. Sometimes it's not about like nipanei, but send a mummy and Muslim vibe. We have that vibe, the steez. We connect Ankasa. And I'm so happy to have met him. And shy dear, but I'm feeling the vibe.
I'm really happy for you too. It's more say Udoka and Nakasa. Because the way I was sick as our phone solo. Hey. When you know what you know, smiling.
I never expected to meet me at Dobby's out. And meeting him in my I say be weird. But like watch him Makuma Kasa.
The radius. Say Makuma Swadi and the Ebem.
And I'm hoping say mommy made the neighbor on Suhuna. I know so just like say me who now must me I don't mean him say them PB I'll pay. Definitely you like him.
Exactly. That's my girl.
Is it?
Yeah, movie production. Director Africa presents Sangamada Dilayomi Bonami Kuripa Kai Wachi.
My bro.
Baby,
few seconds I make a heavy do you miss it? It's normal,
I was wondering, Senka, what's me at time and they, you know, in PR and then. But oh, you're a very nice girl. You look very beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah.
But then, so you should understand. Minimum, and then meeting you on the day now, I'm going out with you. No, it's not. I shouldn't say so you understand. So.
And they're true. Now, they're here.
Okay, I'm a medical doctor.
Wow. To me,
Yeah. That's major because.
Oh yeah.
Major. Because
if you find someone while you're on me, are you going to charge me before you take care of me?
I will charge you.
Are you sure?
And I have a financial.
Yeah, I say we know husband there.
See, before this,
I say you more home with you.
That's a responsibility. But we're professional. Maybe you need to wear some show, not me be a little. What I say?
That is a sweet girl. A sweet girl, but in fact, they won't now be told me so. No, me would drop a copy. Me person no Bobra. I mean, I just want to have you, taste you, love you, kiss you. I mean, you know, taste you. What I say?
But then I wanted to ask you something. Like, one you told me so. Yeah,
I'm into real estate. I sell. I have phone shops and hotels, a whole lot.
Okay, see, then you're hardworking.
Yeah,
I like people like that.
Also, sister, that's a show when you know it's not a baby any home. I mean, you need to work hard and aim your dreams. Okay. What I say, working hard is more important than anything. And me now for be a man can say how much about for be so. But I say, you know, sometimes I mean, you know, you work hard and make sure say things will go in the direction that you want. And I mean, for my joint diagram. Sometimes I'm a little bit radical, but I think they're Brahmin. And now, mommy business, no, I expanded to this extent. And at the same time, so no, maybe that you mean I'm so that I am Tokwanisika. Maybe that I'm sorry, my junior and Tokwanisika. We didn't talk about a daily. If you take my 1 city, I'll fight you to death and take back my 1 city because it's very important. It's a drop of water make a mighty ocean. You know, if you think that once in the 50 pesos and 10 pesos and dropping them together in the money box, you know, realizing 1 year I'll be able to say you've earned a lot. Yeah. So I don't play with money. Yeah, Tokwa, the good business comes with Tokwa. Every business comes with Tokwa. Yeah. So you take care of my drive. See, I'm fine to me kaka. So I wouldn't get the money to buy this guy and give you a better ride.
Well, if you say so, I can't complain.
Go be woman chance baby another person take you for granted.
It's true though.
Until no when you're there, then you fight, you push. Your man will turn good for you. But they say, "Who be a man when you're too straight? I do not make good amount." Yeah, go be in your papa.
I get you.
Yeah, that's why I own so many businesses and them stuffs. And I just want to take you out to Rich Condo. So I'm a friend. Richie, I'm a friend. My name is Diagro from childhood, and you know, you're just a lady in my call. A friend is saying, I started some hotel business in Scout.
Oh, it's a very nice place. Maybe call me, enjoy your more services. My apartment is a very nice apartment. And all that. I see.
Oh, yeah. But you know, I will let you meet Rich Condos one day. Now we know how good he is. So a very nice man, calm. Me to call say question ya but o ko do. Me say rich and go what person bu me kwase rich. Oh, it's not question ya but
What's the person bubu ke ya?
na me bubu no.
Oh, but that's why we can we speedy. Oh, me crash me.
Let me know so me tell be yemi bi abi kunu na dey.
Me penny size.
Fatima. Miss you more, darling.
Baby, sit down.
Thank you.
Mommy,
Yes, darling.
do you see anything?
No.
Hey, on many ways, obviously, me mommy, mommy. Let's make catch us a memo surprise me. It's really a surprise now, no any.
Hi.
Hi.
Obviously,
Yeah.
mommy,
Yes, darling.
for sure, me husband to be, and I made an abbey.
You what?
My husband to be.
Yeah.
Obviously,
Yes, my darling.
Mr. Chami, mommy, my boy.
Oh, Miss Amore.
Oh yeah,
So-
well, you're a very nice woman.
Yeah.
Also, you're very lively.
Yeah.
Mommy, like a BBA. Me do also a bro. Na so one kasi.
Abranti.
Alright.
Udi phone name you say.
We did the Akwasi and Kroma. And I'm out for so for Rebusia Town for.
It's your time for. Indeed. But I don't know yet.
Oh, business there, you know, I do a lot of business. Me only real estate and I'm into real estate and I'm selling import goods from China. At the same time, so some phones and accessories. Me sell hotels here, Juma, and a whole lot. Yeah.
Abranti free, Krobes.
Oh, well, me and Fantini and Papa and crying. So indeed, 50-50, Accra 50, where Central 50.
What education background?
Hey, mommy. That's so
Oh,
man.
Don't worry.
We didn't stop all question of race. It's
Don't
not
worry,
time.
Don't worry. My education background, no, a dropout. I just as to, I came from school. So maybe I can try and say, to me, any from school name command, so I stopped. And I started a business. So now here I'm a Cabby Brass, Cabby First So I get it now.
Over.
No, actually, but I was waiting for the right person now. Now, because those girls know I know the format. Now some draining money because when they see you have money, know the format they want to drain. So for me, I don't have any girl.
How old are you?
Oh, roughly my age, croquet around 35, 36.
And now marry.
Oh no, me single. So what my mom feel when him sending me feel hotel, very big duplex, and I live alone. You know
what man?
Mommy.
This guy, he's not the right person for you. No.
Mommy. Mommy, I said, no,
not even so be womanizer. But pretty old told me. On your type of baby also worry no. On your 35 years, right?
Mommy.
Only yere, only back.
Mommy, tea. Oh, say.
No, baby.
No,
Come
on, you not what make us. Me want to say obey root kakra so. She the whole sit by the whole city warning the whole city make us away.
Mommy, Debbie say
no. Hey, let me talk.
Mommy, so at least or your visitor on. Now somebody say do kind of nice. And as more of maybe or confidence or expressing on there.
Yeah, that is how I live my life. You know, my work, my stays over 15 years. And you know, I mean, stays you know to me be a casasane or pay, so I don't see anything wrong with it. And you know,
it's okay.
No, the way I want to see casasane womanizer.
No, wait.
I don't get it.
The baby I want to say, it's not me person.
Oh, come on.
But you mute yourself that you're a womanizer. What one we womanizer? Me, me, asana yawo. And I'm be a womanizer me.
No, mommy, I said the way I see you know, it's like Obama me hunu na me pet no. Me say me pet me no share sir. I mean no go try me duplex names. Oh, the way you're doing that's one person Obama worry we say.
Oh my God.
It's not nice.
What ma?
Oh, mommy, I don't know what you saying. Mommy,
He's not the right person for you.
mommy, at least so that's not me can say.
Oh, the other man I said, but man, thanks.
No, wait.
No. Let's call this thing off. No.
Why? Why you being like this?
Nah, because I have my own money. It seems like Usika Tina may buy and no mommy person looking down on me.
She's
not right.
She's not saying anything like that. Also, you penny follow. Menopause kakrani ada do to da na be me come say na be mu come for ama.
Me do go chairman mama, did you see something like that?
Me mama menopause na no thing.
Oh, come on. I said mommy chow mommy penny, but still
no,
come on nice.
Sometimes you have to at least also buy so no what you say can so kasa.
No, also me express me because I have the note. I mean trust me be and belittle me. No, I won't allow that because I love you. Yeah, I know. And you don't me don't crank me traffic also because yes I don't give that person a second chance. I just brush you off. You know, it's because I love you. That's why I'm down.
It's okay. I'm sorry. Okay.
I hear. I love you, babe.
I love you too.
All right. Eh? Cool.
Okay, so let me get you something, right?
Okay, I hear. What do you mean? Do you think I'm a small boy? I own a lot, man. We quite bullshit. Where am I eating if you are the proper one? I go. I may import to be free China. Kuhunkunya be almost $80,000. Me go tabe go amount. What do you mean? I have a anyhow. I'm from about mo be man and I'm talk anyhow.
Enforce me. Me nada me person me. You can't decide for me what to tell me. What am I? What am I? You want me a peace of mind of nothing? What do you so start me worry? What do you so for? I don't even know how long.
What's my wrong here? Who am I saying? Who's a me saw 9 months. You don't know fast as this. What's it?
Yes, on our woman, but another man passport say we decide ya me anyhow. After all, me na and so show me so submit me na ka catch me say me worry. Me boa. No one catch me say me worry. Now this is him go worry for you so try man worry trying. I don't worry mo sunsu mama. Oh worry mo sunsu mama because what you doing I don't understand. Me tell you what me dey. I don't know what to tell me sir.
What am I me pe we here? Look at me say me person me worry and I me worry was sunsu mu. What am
I don't need to explain that. Me de me nyaka. So pese be sadia mami nku ne me ye na so hu de oye. I don't like the situation or pester me lifestyle. I don't like it.
What ma? Me say. Umpo. Start akwasinkuma that akwasinkuma no. Over my dead body. So we worry say guy no.
And mommy also pearl. So umpo. I am marrying him today, tomorrow, and even in the next life. No, I know. Okay, I'm marrying me. I catch him so my family home. What about? Oh yes. What about? Don't catch him no. I've never known you to be like this, but of late the way and the what shocking me cry about sir
because people we
and
we na me share what ma me catch so this baby asa ko think quality piano message bian address wo na me catch him say I will deal with him na help him of course money yes
so wonim now yema akwesi jaimia e beje wonsem I'm so one cause I won't know about I'm sure him we on this side of me I'm radical maybe
I don't even ask that cool
no I didn't mean
I just about to see come on for the really
oh yes oh yes because on you me say don't worry me you get there not just all one that hey oh yes
but you have real but and that what told you I can say me a bit ni wari so so
make us what man make us ana what ya wo ya no
wo I want you through what that hey so good at university what
Production. Director Africa presents Sangama.